Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post on Reddit mobile. So in order to do this, first of all open your mobile phone and navigate to any browser on your mobile phone. After navigating, go to the search bar and type in Reddit. Now log in to Reddit using user credentials and you'll be on this page. So on this page you'll have to click on this small plus icon at the top right of the screen, that is create post button. After you click on this small plus icon, you'll be navigated to create post page. On this page, you'll have the option to post a text, image and video or a link. So we'll navigate to text, go to the title section and type in the title of our post. Now after entering the title of your post, you'll have to navigate to the markdown editor, that is the body of your post, and create a description for your post. So this is my main post. As you can see, I have selected text, so I'll be able to post a text in this section. Now you can also navigate to images and video, enter a title and click on drag and drop or upload media. When you click on it, it is going to prompt you to this page where you'll have the option to choose a picture. So for example, I will choose this picture. You can select more than one picture too and click on add button at the bottom right. Now it will take some time to upload these pictures. After it's done, you can see all the pictures have been uploaded and you can now click on the post button if you want to post this on Reddit mobile. Now navigate to link and enter the title, and in this section just paste a link from anywhere you want. So you can enter the link of any web page, video or any post on any other platform and click on the post button just right here. Now before doing this, make sure you click on the select a community button and choose a community where you want to publish your post. After selecting a community, you can click on post, and as you can see, I have successfully posted on Reddit mobile. Now this is my post. I can navigate here and see the comments. From this option, I can add a comment, I can share this post, I can upvote or downvote this post and do the settings for this post by clicking on this three dotted icon at the top right. I can save this post, hide this, delete this post, add a spoiler tag, add NSFW tag. I can also mark it as a brand affiliate, or I can turn off reply notification for this specific post. So that's how you post on Reddit mobile. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.